guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video will be a haul video. So recently, well, I'm filming this the 18th of January 2020, and today I went to town and got to show you what I bought. So the first thing are these crispy M&Ms, best ones, found from Poundland. The next thing is this lip balm. It's the Refreshers strawberry lip balm. I have already opened it because I need it. It's cold weather, so I've been using that. That's £1.50 from Primark. I also have this reusable bag from Poundland. It's just got a chihuahua eating sprinkles and a donut on, and it said I tried to be good. So that's £1 from Poundland. I also have a Poundstretcher bag, which is just there, and I got it for free because they don't charge for bags. The next thing is this Swizzles Drumstick Squashy Weed Diffuser in raspberry. I'm really interested in the new range, and my favourite, actually I do like them all, but this isn't for me, so I can't really say in case, depends when I put this up, but really interesting that is. They do have Palmer Violets and Love Hearts. They don't only just have the weed diffuser, they have air freshener and other things like so. Those are my receipts. Okay, so 4 years ago I got acrylic nails because I wanted acrylic nails to go see 5 seconds of summer, and when I took them off they completely destroyed my nails, and quite recently I've been wanting acrylic nails, but they destroyed my nails, so popped into Primark, and I got some fake ones, and the first ones are aubergine, eggplant, however you want to pronounce it, matte pointed nails, and they just look like that, and these are very me, and these are the pink, grey and white marble ones. The eggplant purple ones are £1, and don't know why, but the marble ones are £2. Maybe because those are plain. I don't know. In Poundland, I got a couple of the rose fragranced with royal rose petals bath bombs. One for me, one for someone else. I'm not saying who because they could be watching. I also got, if you want to know any prices of anything, if I missed a price, then please comment down below. I got a pack of the Pop-tastic potato crisps in barbecue, and they taste just slightly not Pringles, but they taste really like Pringles, for 45p as well. They're really good. Also from Poundstretcher, those Pringles were as well, but also from Poundstretcher I got the Marvellous Mango Pineapple water, and this will last me quite a while, and it's in mango and pineapple, no sugar, no sweeteners, 1 calorie per 250ml, that's great. So I've got 2, 39p each. I'm putting them behind me. Oh jeez, I whacked my bottle off the table. Whew, scared me out it. I got a couple of the my brain's registering what they are. I know the lights, but these are the Sweetheart lights. You get 8 lights. One pack is hearts, the other pack is roses. Move this over to here. Let me move this over. So I got a pack of the new mail bubble envelopes, mainly because I do swap boxes with Lucy B's World, and the boxes are so ridiculously expensive, and I don't really have any cardboard boxes that I can use at home, so just as good as get a pack of 3 for £1. No, there's no measurements on there, so I apologise. Okay, for cards, I got this one for Lucy B's World. Her birthday is on the same week as I'm sending the swap box, so it's a birthday swap box. Yeah, so I got it. What? I also got myself a new expanding pocket folder, mainly because it ripped. My old one is this exact same one. It's got 13 sleeves for £1.79. I also got a pack of mint crumbles. I know no one cares, but most of this stuff isn't for me. So yeah, so I was picking up a Valentine's Day card for my boyfriend, but I couldn't really choose one. So I've got this banana one for £1, and it says, "On bananas about you, let's not ever split." Thought that was really funny. And I've also got the jam and toast one for £1 as well, because I couldn't choose. This is the it says, "You're the jam and I'm the toast, you're the one I love the most." And that reminded me of Dr. Seuss, is it? And I also got a pack of Christmas cards. It's the earliest I've bought Christmas cards. And I wanted these last year, but I noticed them after Christmas, so pretty much pointless. So I thought to get them ready for this year, and they're just pug cards, and they have two designs. One is Merry Pugmas with a black pug and red-nosed pug deer on the other side with a blonde pug. Lastly, I've got this bag. Is it me, or when you go shopping you think, "Oh, I've bought a lot," but when you get home it's a lot less than you think? Oh well. First thing is this it's a chocolate heart decorating kit. So you've got a chocolate heart, sprinkles and icing, and it just looks like this. Okay, so if you know me very well, you'll know that I have to, and it was down from £4.99 to, it was £4.99, which I would have still bought anyway, but it was £2.99, so I thought, yes. Now this isn't for me, and I'm really tempted to eat them myself, but it's not for me, so yeah, there's that. This is for me. How does it look? Of course I have to pick, oh, I was about to say of course I have to pick one that doesn't work, but then that's that little tag that you, oh, this is very nice. This is very Beauty and the Beast. Beast, yeah. And £3.99, I thought, I mean Poundland have smaller ones, but I didn't realise until after. But anyway, very Beauty and the Beast themed, and if you know me, my favourite Disney film, and I got that for £3.99 from Card Factory. From B&M I got a couple of the Chupa Chups tea lights, and yeah, so for someone I got the Rainbow Drops Peach tea lights for £1.99, and for someone else I got the Strawberries and Cream Chupa Chups tea lights for £1.99. Something else that I got, I don't know why I got this, but it was £1, and it's really pretty, and for some reason it seemed like this person, so a ballerina plaque thing. I also have this mug coaster for £1.49. Wonder who that's for. I know who it's for. I'm having a laugh because it's obvious who it's for. I got a couple of the teddy bear chocolates for 99p from Card Factory. If you want to know where anything is from, please comment it down below. I also have the unicorn necklace. It says you leave a little sparkle wherever you go for £1.49. I'm sorry about it, but it looks like that. And lastly, no, I've got two more things. Lastly, I got this little bottle thing for 99p, and also for 99p, I got the story of us, a love journal for couples. And yeah, that's all I got in today's haul. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.